Well, today, Governor Greitens will find out if lawyers were able to get the criminal case against him thrown out. He faces felony invasion of privacy charges stemming from an affair with a woman before he was elected governor. Now, before the judge's decision today, our Abby Larico is live at the Carnahan Courthouse with what we need to know ahead of this decision. Abby, good morning.
Hey, Allie, good morning to you. So the hearing begins at 9 o'clock. That's just under 3 hours from now. But if the judge in this case is anything like both teams of attorneys, he'll need every second to make that decision. It's because both sides filed last-minute filings yesterday afternoon. The defense arguing that the circuit attorney's office has mishandled evidence and testimony notes, grounds they say for the case to be thrown out. However, the circuit's attorney's office says that that's all being blown out of proportion and that a jury deserves to decide this case. But those are essentially the arguments that we heard both sides argue in court last time they met. This hearing follows a busy day for the governor's defense team. Wednesday, they also filed a restraining order against the Attorney General, Josh Hawley. They say the AG has made inappropriate comments and shouldn't be allowed to investigate the governor. This is after Hawley declared Greitens illegally used his charity donor list for political purposes. Now, that's all happening in Jefferson City. However, it would be up to the circuit attorney here in St. Louis to file any charges because the AG says it happened here in St. Louis. Allie?
What, if any, effect does this have on those possible impeachment proceedings?
Well, Allie, we know that lawmakers, mostly Democrats, did take the first steps toward the impeachment process on Tuesday, but that is operating separately from this criminal case, everything that's happening politically down in Jefferson City. So whatever happens here this morning doesn't necessarily have an impact on the governor's political future. However, we know lawmakers, just like the rest of us, will have their eyes on that courtroom.
Absolutely. Okay, Abby Larico live for us in front of the Carnahan Courthouse this morning. Thanks, Abby.